I'll tell you one thing. Today we'll be discussing this typical instrument. Again, your practical part. Potentiometer. ठीक है? One thing. Second point is that voltmeter is a device which measures potential difference. I think you know it since lower classes that voltmeter measures potential difference. But when it measures potential difference, it draws current. It unnecessarily draws current from the wire. It draws currents from that device where the potential. See, since lower classes you are aware that voltmeter is a device used to measure potential difference किंवा voltage म्हणतात. But voltmeter draws current from the device. Current सगळे absorb करते त्यामुळे जे potential difference measure होतं that is not accurate. And hence instead of voltmeter to measure potential difference we use this special device, and that special device is called as potentiometer. So what is potentiometer? It is an instrument which measures potential difference accurately without drawing current from the device. That is called as potentiometer. See, I will teach you the principle of potentiometer and then the uses. Concentrate. Principle of potentiometer. Look here. This is rheostat which is used to either increase or decrease current. This is a battery. You require a battery because we are taking a huge wire. Students, potentiometer, this is the potentiometer wire which consists of a uniform conducting wire which is quite long. Now here I need not draw a long wire. So potentiometer consists of a uniform conducting wire which is quite long enough, which is of length L and area L capital and area of cross section A, both are capital. The end A is connected to the positive terminal of a source of battery. Students, आम्हाला cell उपयोगी पडणार नाही. We have to use a higher voltage source and that is called as a battery. So point A is connected to a battery, a key and a rheostat. Point B is connected to the rheostat. So AB is a uniform conducting wire of length L, area of cross section A. Simple. Close the key. Let current I be flowing through the wire. Let the current I be flowing through the uniform conducting wire AB. Students, then from the Ohm's law, simple, जे तुम्हाला स्कूल लेवल पासून माहिती आहे. From Ohm's law, potential difference across AB is equal to what? Current across AB multiplied by the resistance. Now, what is current? Current in 11th standard current electricity, we learn current as E divided by capital R, which is the resistance of the wire AB, plus small r, which is called as the internal resistance. कळते हैं? छोटासा बॅटरीच्या आतच एक बारीकसं रेजिस्टन्स असतं and that unavoidable resistance which ज्याला तुम्हाला पर्यायच नाही, that is called internal resistance. ठीक है? Therefore, what do we get? VAB, potential difference across AB. I, what is I? It is E upon RAB plus small r into capital R. Are you okay? Students, VAB, आता resistance of the wire until I change the wire, resistance does not change. Internal resistance, cell जोपर्यंत बदलत नाही तोपर्यंत internal resistance बदलला नाही. My point here is in telling you that VAB, VAB is, we'll put here like this, VAB, now VAB depends upon only not the resistance, not the internal resistance, but the battery. Until the battery is same, potential difference remains the same. Until the battery changes, potential difference changes. Now, potential difference per unit length divided by L, students. Potential difference per unit length is equal to what? E divided by RAB as written on the board plus small r into R divided by L. As I told you, this potential difference per unit length remains constant as far as E remains constant. This potential difference per unit length is called as potential gradient. Potential difference per unit length is called as what? It is called potential gradient. And this VAB upon L is denoted by the letter K. This VAB upon L is denoted by what? It is denoted by the letter K. That's it. Okay, this is one part here. Important. Let C be any point on the uniform conducting wire AB such that the length AC is equal to small l. Then it is observed that the potential difference across AC is equal to what? Is proportional to V upon we'll put it like this. Potential difference across AC is proportional to small l. Because therefore VAC is equal to some constant K into small l. And what is that K? VAB upon L. Karte mulano? I'll repeat it again and we will continue for today. What is potentiometer? Potentiometer is an instrument used to measure potential difference accurately because it does not draw current from the circuit. It consists of a uniform conducting wire AB connected across a battery, a key, a small little internal resistance also you can draw here, and a rheostat. Okay? Simple. Close the key, allow the current to flow through the potentiometer wire so that potential, तुम्हारा ही माहिती है, potential difference is current multiplied by the resistance across AB. Now what is current? E divided by R plus small r. Therefore VAB is equal to what? E upon RAB into small r. म्हणजे R ची value घालायचं. What is I? E divided by R plus small r into R here. Is it okay? टीचर ने काय केलं? VAB RAB ची व्हॅल्यू घातली R. VAB, which is the potential difference, depends only on the EMF. As far as we are not changing the battery, potential difference will remain constant. Now divide by L. करते हैं? So VAB upon L is equal to E upon RAB plus small r into R upon L. I am dividing throughout by L. VAB upon L is a constant as EMF of the cell is a constant. This VAB upon L is denoted by the letter K, which is called as the potential gradient. Simple. K is called as potential gradient, means potential difference upon length. Ends the job. Let C be any point on the wire such that the length AC is equal to small l. You know that the potential, जसं इथं आपण conclude केलं, VAB upon L is equal to K. K is a constant now. What do we prove here? VAB is proportional to capital A. तसंच let C be any point. हे बघा, ही statement बघा. Because K is a constant, directly proportional it is. So let C be any point on the potentiometer wire such that the length AC is equal to small l. Therefore VAC is equal to proportional. So VAB is proportional to capital L, which is the total length of the potentiometer wire. Similarly, VAC, C is any point, is directly proportional to the length of the wire between points A and C, or VAC is equal to some constant K into L. Thus, VAB is proportional to capital L, VAC will be proportional to small l. ठीक है बोला ना? That's it. This is one part. Now application of potentiometer. You have to go through the circuit properly. Potentiometer चा application बघा. इझी आहे. एकदा तुम्हाला पोटेन्शियोमीटरचं प्रिन्सिपल कळणार दॅट पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू लेंथ. मोर द लेंथ, more PD you can obtain. Now look into the next heading. खूप इझी आहे तो पार्ट, फक्त तुम्हाला कळला पाहिजे नीट. दॅट्स इट. कंपॅरिझन of EMFs of two cells by using potentiometer. काय करूया, पोटेन्शियोमीटर घ्या आणि तो सेल्स घ्या. हाऊ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द पोटेन्शियोमीटर? सी द सर्किट प्रॉपरली. Potentiometer wire is long. Concentrate. You have taken point A. It's connected to a driving source, high voltage source. Internal resistance is there. Key is there, which is closed. I have already shown it as closed. And rheostat is there. This is point A here. Light is there. Look here. Point A is connected to this. Students, असा असतो पोटेन्शियोमीटर, लांब लचक वायर असते ती. This is point B, which is connected to the other end of the circuit, and that is the rheostat. This is your rheostat. This is a driving source of high voltage of EMF E. Let हे आता A थोडं साइडला काढूया. कन्सिडर टू सेल्स ऑफ EMFs E1 नीड बघा and E2. हे two cells of EMFs E1 and E2 whose EMFs are to be compared. Consider two cells whose EMFs are to be compared. Compared means take the ratio. Positive terminal of both the cells is connected to the end A or point A on the potentiometer wire. Negative terminals are connected to a key. Half key म्हणतात त्याला. The other end of the half key is connected to a galvanometer. And half key म्हणजे दोन्ही सर्किट्सला ऍडजस्ट K1 आणि K2 असे दोन कीज असतात. ते दाखवते तुम्हाला. ही की आहे ना, की K. Already we have used the letter K here. So what I'll do is I'll use two alphabets, that is K1 and K2. बघा हा, अशी काढा. ही डॉट मध्ये दाखवा K1 and another key K2 by a single dot, and the common terminal of K1 and K2 is connected to the galvanometer. The other end of the galvanometer is connected to a jockey. Two cells of EMFs E1 and E2. Positive terminals are connected to the end A on the potentiometer wire. Negative terminals are connected together to keys K1 and K2. Okay. The other end of the keys is connected to the galvanometer, and the galvanometer is connected to a jockey J. मोठं काही नाही आहे. Nothing international. किती easy. Close the key K. मी मुद्दाम K परत वापरणार नाही. You get confused otherwise. Close the key K. Current starts flowing through the potentiometer wire. Now close K1, ते करू शकता, ते तुमच्या हातात असतं, ते चाव्या असतात. Close K1, keep K2 open. When K1 is closed, cell of EMF E1 is in the circuit. What do we get here? Therefore, EMF of the cell E1 is equal to what? As per the principle of potentiometer, we have kept K1 closed, keep K1 closed, K2 open, means cell of EMF E1 is in the circuit. ह्याचा काय संबंध येत नाही, हे ऑलरेडी क्लोज्ड पाहिजेच कंपल्सरी. सेल ऑफ EMF E2 इज आउट ऑफ सर्किट, कारण K2 ओपन आहे. काय करायचं, टेक द जोकी घ्या and tap it along the length of the potentiometer wire such that say at some particular point गॅलॉमीटर झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवतं. गॅलॉमीटर झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवतं म्हणजे potential EMF of the cell is equal to what? Or we put it like this: EMF of the cell, measure the balancing length L1 such that E1 is proportional to L1. Now close the key K2, keep K1 open. The cell of EMF E2 is in the circuit. Move the jockey across the length of the potentiometer wire and obtain the balancing length L2 such that E1 upon E2 is equal to KL1 upon KL2. K cancels. Hence we get E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 upon L2. This is how you can compare the EMF of two cells. ठीक है? काय करायचं, असेंबली अशी मांडून घ्यायची. क्लोज K1, मूव द जोकी अक्रॉस द लेंथ ऑफ द पोटेन्शियोमीटर वायर, आणि दोऱ्याने समजा ज्या पॉइंट कडे गॅलॉमीटर झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवतो, सर्किट ओपन झाला. सर्किट ओपन मीन्स पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स इज इक्वल टू EMF. What is the definition of EMF? It is the potential difference itself, but when the circuit is open. And circuit open जर तुम्हाला इथं ह्या पॉइंट कडे जोकी जर गॅलॉमीटर जर झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवत असेल ना, नो करंट फ्लोइंग. नो करंट फ्लोइंग मीन्स सर्किट ओपन झाला. सर्किट ओपन झाला बाय डेफिनेशन पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स इज इक्वल टू द EMF. कळतंय? मग K1 क्लोज केली, मूव द जोकी, ऑब्टेन द बॅलन्सिंग लेंथ L1, मेजर इट. दोऱ्याने मेजर करायची. सिंपल थ्रेड यू टेक अँड मेजर. रिमूव्ह K1, क्लोज K2, मूव द जोकी अक्रॉस द लेंथ ऑफ द पोटेन्शियोमीटर वायर, ऑब्टेन द बॅलन्सिंग लेंथ L2. बॅलन्सिंग लेंथचा अर्थ काय, की असा जोकी फिरवत जायचा सच दॅट ॲट अ पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट गॅलॉमीटर विल शो झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन. दॅट इज द EMF E2. Take the ratio, replace it by potential gradient K. E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 upon L2. Ends the job. ठीक है? Bye for today.